Parents and students can log into PCR in order to subscribe to class calendars and also go to links like downloading files from Dropbox. In order to do this, you need to go to the dawsonschool.org website. You can go onto PCR and choose parents or students. Once you get here, all you need to do is log in. If you have any trouble logging in, you can contact the division director administrative assistant to get your username and password. Now that you're logged in, you can click on Student, and you'll see your child's schedule. You can click on a course, like English 9 in this case, and on the left-hand side at the top you should see some links. In this case, there's a calendar link, a Dropbox link, and a link to the teacher's email. If I click on the calendar link, on a Mac, it should offer to just add this directly into iCal, and I can click subscribe. I can choose to store it on the Mac, or if I have an iCloud account, I can store it there too. And I'm going to make sure that it auto refreshes regularly, perhaps every 15 minutes or every hour. It'll also refresh manually if you choose to. I'm going to press OK, and shortly thereafter the assignment should begin to show up. Here we can see the assignments for next week. I can also do this directly in a Google Calendar online, especially if you're not using a Mac. This may be the best way for you to do this. If I go into Google Calendar, I can choose to, under Other Calendars, add by URL. All I would need to do is go back into PCR, and instead of clicking the link, I could just choose to control click it and copy the link. Now all I need to do is add the URL by pasting it in. If I navigate to the front of this long link, you'll see that it says WebCal. You'll need to change this to HTTP in order to get it to add to Google Calendar. We've added WebCal, so this will work well on iPads. I'm going to choose Add Calendar, and we'll see that English 9 Period 1 has been added, and I see those same 3 assignments here. So this is a great option for people that are not using a Mac. Let's go back to the PCR page and look at one more thing. In this class, there's also a Dropbox link, and if we click on this Dropbox, which by the way, you don't need to have a Dropbox account to use this, when I click on this Dropbox link, I'll see a set of files that the teacher has shared. There may be additional files within this folder. Teachers can add additional files throughout the year, and students and families may want to bookmark those pages in order to be able to access them without having to come back to PCR regularly.